Hello everyone, it's Naoki here. In this video, I want to show you how to make a table in InDesign. Let's get started. First thing you need to do is go to the Type tool and go on the top, Table and Create Table. Then as soon as you hit Create Table, the Create Table windows pop up. Then you can put the number of the rows and columns. So let's stay in 7 rows and 8 columns and hit OK. And nothing happened yet, so what you have to do is drag over. Something like this. Then you can see the table. Next thing I want to do is decorate that table a little bit. How can we do that? Is stay in the Type tool and stay in the table and go on the table and table option. Then table setup. Then if you hit table setup, you can change the number of the rows and the columns. Then if you change, okay, so if I try to change the column, this notification window pop up, so just hit OK and keep changing. Okay, then column as well. So the same things happen, hit OK and let it go. Okay, so I change to the 7, that's fine. Right, so next thing I want to show you is row strokes. The default is none. So if I change to every other row, the every other row is meaning is if you come down to the alternating section, it says first and next. First section is if you change anything, it's affected to the first row. Then if you change anything to the next section, it's affected to the second row. Okay, I'll show you what that is. So if I come to the first row and change the color of the line from black to, for example, magenta, the first line changed to the magenta. Then if I come to the next section, then if I change the line from black to blue, it's changed to the blue, and you can change the thickness too. So this time I'm going to stay in white. Then come to the next one, column and strokes. Column strokes is the same as the row strokes. The default is none. Then if I change to the every other column, same thing. The first section is affecting to the first one. Then next one affecting to the second one. Okay, so if I change the color to, for example, red, then if I change next section, color change to blue, this is happening. So what if I select other option? So that every second column, if I select that, the first section affect first 2 lines. Next section affect to the next 2 lines. If I select every third column, same thing. The first section is the first 3. Next section, next 3. Same as row and strokes. So this time I'll stay everything in white. You can see it because it's white. Okay, the next section is fields. Field section is all about the color of the inside of the cell. Default is none, so I'll change to every other row. Okay, so this one change to, for example, red. Okay, then the default next section is none color, so no color here. So maybe I'll put some color in here, black. Whoa, it's really black. That's because the tint section is 100%. Compared with the first section, tint is 20%. I'll maybe reduce until the 20% as well. Okay, that's better. Then once you're happy, hit OK. Okay, next, put the text in here. Let's put sample weekly schedule here. Okay, now I put all information inside of the table, then start decorating a little bit. To decorating the text is get the character window, which is this one. Okay, so if you don't see the character window on your workplace, go on the top, type, and character. Then go to the type tool. If you come closer to the table, the icon will be changed to point. See? Point. Okay, once you got it, click and drag over. Then back to the character window and change the font. For example, Arial. Okay, Arial bold. So I'll go to the regular this time. Then, so I want everything on the center. How can I do it? Is again, stay in the type tool and drag over. And this time I will get paragraph window, is this one. If you don't see the paragraph window on your workplace, go on the top, type, then paragraph. Then paragraph window, keep selecting everything and hit align center. Okay. Now the text is aligned center, but everything is set on the top. So how can I change it? So keep selecting this table, go on the top, table, and set option this time, set option. Then go to the text, then set option windows pop up, stay in the text, and go down a little bit, it says vertical justification. The align, at the moment, align top. So change to the align center, then everything is set in nice in center. This is how does it look like. Then I want to move this line a little bit because at the moment every cell looks exactly the same size. So I want to change a little bit. I want to do this on the Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday section narrower. How can I do it? Is stay in the type tool and come close to the line. Then icon change to the up and down icon. Then stay in the up and down icon and grab the line and drag up. Then you can change the size of that. Okay, then change the old text into the bold. Then if you want to change the text color, stay selecting this text and get swatches. If you don't see the swatch, go window, color, swatch. Okay, the swatch, and I'll change to the paper, which is white. That looks alright to me. Okay, the next thing I want to show you is how we take out these black outline. This doesn't look good. So I want to take out these black outline. So how to do it is go back to the type tool, then select all table and go table, and this time set option and strokes and fills. Okay, inside of strokes and fills, you have to take out a line you don't want to change. So I don't want to change the inside line, so I'll just take this one out. Then once you click, that color back to the black. So I don't want to change the column line either. So I click and change it to the black. So at the moment, the outline, only outline is in blue, which is this outline. Then change to 0. Then see what happens. Okay, so outline taken out. Right, next thing I want to do is the title section. The title section is in this Sunday section, but I want this title section stay in right center of this entire table. How can we do that? Okay, let's go to the type tool again and come closer, now wait until the icon changes to the point. Here we go. Then select on the top section. Yeah, then go on the top. Then this time, merge cells. If we click, gone. So, on the top section, every cell has been merged. This is a big one cell. Then if you want to change the color in here, select it and change to yellow or something. Okay, then I want to just make the title text bigger. Okay, and change to the bold. Make it like this big. Okay, that looks good to me, but the table looks a little bit small, so I want to make it bigger. Because same as image, keep selecting that table, hold Shift command, Control for Windows, then make it bigger. Okay, so this is how to make a table in InDesign. Thanks for watching. See you next time.